2023 Honda Civic Type R interior colors, redesign. Referred to as the sharpest and most track-focused hot hatchback on the market. Competitive style can be a little odd for most people, but it's not all display and no-go. There's a real purpose behind that gaudy bodywork. In a dying breed, the Civic Type R is only available with a 6-speed manual transmission that sends power to the front wheels. There's a 2.0L turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that makes 306 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, which are impressive stats, but the Type R fanatics prefer to focus more on how well the car handles rather than how well it performs at high speeds. Adaptive dampers also make it easier to drive this car over long distances than it would be to see a model of a Type R in a store window. 2023 Honda Civic Type R redesign. You can come face to face with the exterior of the 2023 Honda Civic Type R. The aggressive chin spoiler at the front fender is accentuated by sharply designed front lights and numerous air vents. In the hood, you'll find a consumption scoop, and the top fenders have a vent that's open at all times. Its manga-inspired wing, more untrue air vents, a massive diffuser, and about 3 exhaust suggestions are used to direct your attention to the back of the car. Tires are 20 inches in diameter and LE products, all of which feature a BBS design. Assume, for example, that the discolored fresh paint does not provide any additional benefits. When the LE product is used, the back wiper is also removed from the vehicle for better aerodynamics and less weight. Interior. When it comes to revealing the 2023 Honda Civic Type R's athletic ambitions, the interior is the best place to start. It's a great place to stay because of its abundance of red and black features. Engine speed and acceleration are the most important metrics for the driver to focus on. Force option ignition and container seats combine with alloy pedals for a sporty feel at the same time. It's also worth noting that you'll enjoy the benefits of a 6-speaker sound system and a dual-zone automatic climate control system. A 12-speaker audio system with a touchscreen display for informational purposes. If you assume that the technicians forgot about sound quality, you'd be wrong. The days of Honda's getting rattled containers are long gone. Engine. Type R has only one drivetrain option, and the two models have the same output. Are provided by a half-dozen speed handbook as the interface between the engine and the front axle of your 2.0-liter turbo. Rather than relying on Chevy Ignite's enigmatic gearbox to tell you that the product is in place, you can rely on this gearbox to provide a charming, sounding assurance. At no point did it feel frantic or overwhelming. For the engine, the ideal proportions allow for smooth and powerful acceleration from a stop rather than a frantic dash to get to other items. As a result, you won't be able to rev your engine quite as loudly. As a bonus, the car's mid-range torque and slight turbo lag make overtaking an enjoyable exercise. However, it is not a car that encourages you to maintain a consistent speed. Just like a well-behaved Rottweiler, it appears to be straining at the leash. It'll all come together, but I'd prefer to be established without cost and just keep going. 2023 Honda Civic Type R release date and price. The MSRP for this company's 2023 Honda Civic Type R is $37,895, which is well ahead of the $995 spot price. The more expensive and limited supply limited edition model costs $43,995, but there aren't any other differences between the two. Because of this, a fully occupied unit doesn't cost more than $50,000.